Dear friends, welcome to PWP Professionals with Passion. Today I am going to discuss about how to clear SAP FICO interview. The main objective of this session is to boost up the people who are attending for SAP FICO interview, and I am highlighting the points which needs to be considered for clearing the interview. Thank you. How to clear SAP FICO interview? Things to remember. The following is the basic list which will help you while attending for an interview. Confidence matters. Introduction about yourself and about your career path. Things which needs to be highlighted. Accept the things where you are not confident and how to conclude. So these are the basic list I have given, and I have given the detailed explanation in the further slides. So which will help you in clearing the SAP FICO interview. Things to remember. First of all, we will discuss about confidence. Confidence is always playing a key role while clearing the SAP interview. The level of confidence shows your level of knowledge. Don't worry about the areas where you haven't worked on. Just attend the interview with full of confidence. SAP is an ocean. No one is perfect. So be confident enough while attending for an interview. How to clear SAP FICO interview? Things to remember. Introduction about yourself. This question looks very simple. The first question you are going to face from the interviewer is tell me about yourself. This question looks obviously simple, but here itself the interviewer will get an idea or impression about you and he can guess on what level you are. Like he can decide your level of knowledge, example, whether you are a beginner or expert, etc. So you start with your education and explain about your domain experience if applicable, and tell something about your steps towards SAP career and about your SAP career in short, like what are the projects you worked on, number of projects, and what are the type of projects you worked on, etc. So these are the things you need to highlight within 5 minutes, and it can be considered as a golden period. First 5 minutes of the interview, you need to represent yourself in a proper manner. As I told, first 5 minutes of the interview is the golden period. You have to represent yourself in a proper manner. I'm giving the list things to be considered or highlighted during that interview. And as I told earlier, education background, and you need to include the latest certifications what I have done and type of projects worked on, like implementation or support, and what is your role in that project. Don't forget to include the rewards and recognition from the client, and you need to highlight your strongest area and presentation skill. So what is the level of presentation you are having? So these are the things you need to highlight before the interviewer so that he will get an idea about you. The first impression is the best impression. Don't forget to include these things during the interview for the first 5 minutes of the golden period. Dear friends, you already crossed the first phase. Means you already crossed the first phase of the interview, first 10 minutes. And still, if you are getting the questions, means you already answered well. The interviewer already satisfied with your first 10 minutes. He wanted to test you more on techno-functional skill set, whatever you are having. He will ask about your techno-functional skill set. He will ask more questions on these things. And here, this is a critical period which you are facing in the interview. And he will not ask how many announcements you did or how many G reports you did, but he will ask on the background what made you to suggest G report. What are the standard reports available, but why can't you convince the client with the standard report? What made you to provide a G report? So these are the critical questions he will ask, and there you need to answer in a convincing manner, and you need to showcase your real business example so that he can convince with your answer. Don't represent like number of enhancements or number of G reports. Just give a detailed business scenario so that he can get a good impression. Things to remember: acceptance. What to do if you don't know any answer for the questions, few questions asked by interviewer. You haven't worked on that area. So in that case, what to do? Don't answer wrong things, and don't try to manipulate the interviewer with your wrong answers. No one is perfect, and nobody is having 100% accuracy in answering questions. And if you don't know the answer, just accept, and you need to communicate in a proper manner that you, you haven't worked on that area. If you get an opportunity, you can try, and you can give your best. So like that, you need to represent, and one of the best thing is acceptance is bliss. Don't try to manipulate, and don't make a wrong impression with wrong answers. This is the key and fundamental thing you need to remember while attending the interview. How to clear SAP FICO interview, how to conclude. To reach this level, you might have spent 20 to 30 minutes in the interview. That means already you are having uh, some good feedback about yourself. So interviewer is about to conclude. What to ask? Any ask questions? What type of questions you can ask? You can ask for the feedback, and if the interviewer is okay, he can provide the feedback in the call itself. Otherwise, he will ask you to wait for some time, and you can ask the improvement areas. You can ask about the roles and responsibilities of the future job. You can ask for the location and time zone, etc. But don't try to lose good impression by posting unwanted questions in the conclusion. So try to conclude in a proper and decent manner. Dear friends, thanks and all the best.